Good morning, everybody. Saturday morning, I got some time to kill, so I figured I'd show you guys my new box. Snap-on KPA 1022. Start with the socket drawer. Got standard over here, metric over here. Most of what I work on is tractor trailers, so a lot of it is still standard. Things are moving over to metric. This is my metric wrench drawer. Again, I have some metric, but not as much metric as I do standard. I'm starting to build it up, get more metric stuff in my box. And then over here, my ratchets, mostly snap-on. I got a couple gear wrench in there, and then my torque wrenches, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. And then the extendable 3/4 ratchet, 1/2 inch breaker bar, 3/8 breaker bar, which I gotta get warranted. This is my standard wrench drawer. I got the Mac angle wrenches, Mac knuckle savers, flex head ratcheting wrenches, standard to 0 offset ratcheting wrenches, both up to 1 inch. Stubby ratchet, stubby wrenches, I forget what these are called, some thin wrenches. These are the RBRT wrenches. I'm going to try them. I just bought them like a week ago. Haven't really had much chance to try them out. Some more angled wrenches, but these ones are thinner. They're good for like airlines, where these ones are good for hydraulics. Large wrenches, Sunex, goes up to 2 inch. Screwdrivers, picks, and pry bars. So my plier drawer, got Nipex, Snap-on, Lang, Milwaukee vice grips, regular vice, like actual vice grips, some Weldon vice grips, cutting and stripping tools, some adjustables over there. Fix that one. Hammer drawer, extensions, 3/8, 1/4 inch, and a 3/8 impact, punches back there, more extensions over here. You never know. This is a tool for torquing down the Hendrickson suspensions on trailers. This is electric and air tools. I have Milwaukee. I used to have Snap-on, but as you can see, I work on propane trailers, and the Snap-on actually lit me on fire, so I moved over to the brushless probably 13 years ago. I do still have one Snap-on. This thing's still kicking. Blow molded cases, some mighty magnet, or the dial indicator for the mighty magnet. That's for adjusting hubs, the end play on the bearings for the hubs, bushing installers, blind hole kit, airlift. Love this thing. Cooling system adapters, another puller set down there. Oh, this is a power drawer, but I don't use it as a power drawer because I keep my chargers on the side. Some more blow molded cases, some thread repairs, impact screwdriver, pipe extractors, DEF refractometer, extractors, dial indicator. That's a flexible magnetic one for PTOs, checking the backlash from the bearings. Down the bottom is a ball joint press. I use it for pushing out the anchor pins for brakes. So polar set. That's a coolant pressure tester. And snap-on metric and standard tap and dies. And you come up here, it's my electrical drawer. It's a battery cable crimper, butane soldering gun, butane crack torch at the bottom. This is for grounds on our trailers. Power probe. I love this thing for stripping battery cables or any type of cable, thick cable. Hole saws and drill bits and files. Keep a lot of that inside here. It's a bit of a mess. This is essentially a junk drawer. Keep my air chuck and stuff like that up here. Pens, keys to the trucks, and all kinds of miscellaneous stuff. This one's fittings and bolts. Like if you ever need an extra fitting, an extra bolt, I usually throw them up here, plugs and stuff like that. Up top is a slide hammer kit by Gear Wrench. Slack adjuster pin pullers. This is for the small one. This is for the bigger pin. And this is the brake anchor pin press. It's a small, compact one. I think it'll hold up better than a ball joint press. Got some big sockets over here for the back transmissions. It's a big socket for the Acme ends, 3.25 inch Acme ends on our trailers. A big pry bar, another dial indicator, and for the most part, that's my box.